Hello everyone, welcome to the Scape. Today, unboxing the Chihiros dosing pump. And yes, I've been waiting for this moment like a kid with a new toy. First thing out of the box, the unit. I really like it. It's compact for a 2-channel system and actually feels premium, not just plasticky. And with what comes in, I liked that it's not overloaded, so you just get everything you need, no bluff. Each item is clearly detailed in the manual. Super cool. It should be plug and play once we hit the Chihiros app. Actually, there's a QR code right there. Super convenient. Not power yet. At this point, I'm just preparing connections. Now, this next box isn't officially Chihiros, but it might as well be. Look at that styling. A perfect match. Inside, it comes with 4 pre-labeled bottles. Plus, yep, the metal holder is a nice bonus. It's solid, keeps everything neat, and fits cleanly next to the pump unit that I'll show you later. I'm starting with APT3 and seachem XL. Clear bottle for APT since it's stable, and tinted one for XL to reduce light exposure. Next up, just a quick install of the battery backup. This is to keep the schedule stored in case of any power cuts. All right, down here in the cabinet, this is actually where the real planning starts. I gotta make sure we route cleanly into the inline dosing unit. The Chihiros inline piece is already attached to my filter outflow. Now, I took a look at the included screws, and yep, we're not doing that. I like the cabinet hole free. So I'm actually going for these sticky holders, 2 on the pump unit and 2 on the inside wall of the cabinet. They ended up being super convenient. They hold tight, and I can still slide the unit off when I need it. Time to get all the tubing in place. And with the power plugged in, the whole system's physically complete. At this point, I already ran the calibration, which was really super straightforward. The app walks you through step by step. So what I'm showing you here is the actual dosing setup. I'm using the custom period mode, dosing on a specific days of the week with a set volume per dose for each of the liquids. So both liquids follow a similar schedule, just stagger it slightly to keep things balanced. And that's the full setup. Bottles loaded, pump mounted, all lines cleanly routed into the inline dosing flow. And with the liquids flowing straight into the outflow, super cool. No mess, no splashing, just a smooth integration. The system is live and the tank is ready to grow.